Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am JP Dibri, retired professor of Russian from the Center of Russian Studies, English and Foreign Languages, University Hyderabad. Indian Grammatical Linguistics, Paninian Linguistics. In the previous module, we discussed the sup suffixes attached to nominative and accusative cases. Today, we shall discuss the sup suffixes attached to instrumental, dative, ablative, genitive, and locative cases with examples and their substitutes, etc. I must make it clear here that these modules on morphology are based on the book Paninian Linguistics of P.S. Subramaniam. Third case, singular suffix ta. The basic form of the suffix ta is added to nominal stems ending in consonants. It is also added to some stems ending in vowels. For example, marut plus ta, marut plus marutar, ta is deleted by wind. Nadi plus ta, nadi plus a, nadya by river. Here ya is the substitute in place of e by eco energy 6177. Go plus ta, go a, gawa by the cow. Here o is the substitute in place of o, go by ho yavaya vaha. Suffix ta has two substitutes, ina and na. Substitute ina takes place after a stem ending in short o by tang gasigasa minatsya 7112. The sutra states that after a stem ending in a short o, ina is the substitute in place of ta. At is the substitute in place of gasi, and sya is the substitute in place of gas. For example, Rama plus ta, ta is replaced by ina by the present sutra. Rama plus ina, ramena. Now guna by Adguna 6187. Now no in the place of no by Atukupyang Numbyavayepi 842. We get the form Ramena by Rama. Similarly, Deva plus ta, Dev plus in, Deveno by God. Substitute na takes place after a stem called ghi, which is not feminine by Angu Nastriyam 63120. The sutra states that na is the substitute in place of ang, that is ta, after ghi stem, which is not in the feminine. For example, agni plus ta, ta is replaced by na by the present sutra, agni plus na, agnina by fire. Third case, plural suffix bhis. Examples. For basic suffix bhis, sakhi plus bhis, sakhi bhis, sakhi bhi means with friends. Rajan plus bhis, no is deleted by nalopa prajapatikantasya 827, rajbhis, rajabhi with kings. The suffix bhis has only one substitute as. The substitute suffix as takes place after a stem ending in short o by ato bhis as 719. The sutra states that as is the substitute in place of bhis after a stem ending in a short o. For example, Rama plus bhis, Ram plus s is the substitute in place of bhis by the present sutra. Rama as, Ram as, vriddhi by for a, for o and I by vriddhirechi 6188, Ramesh, Ramehi by or with Rama. Fourth case singular suffix gain. Examples. Where basic case suffix gain is not replaced. Pitri plus gain, Pitri plus a, Ri is replaced by Ro by eco energy 6177, Pitre to father. Agni plus gain, Agni plus a, guna for the final vowel of Agni by Khair Giti 7311. The sutra states that the Final vowel of a Ghi class stem is replaced by guna before git suffixes agni plus a, agne plus a by present sutra. I substitute in place of a, so agne by HOA was 6177, so we get agnaye, to the fire. The suffix gain has three substitutes, yo, sme, and The substitute yo takes place after a stem, ending in a short o by gain yah, say 1113. The sutra states that in place of gain, yo is the substitute after a stem, ending in a short o. For example, Rama plus gain is replaced by yo by present sutra Ramayo, Ramaya, O of Rama is lengthened by Supicho 73102. The substitute sme takes place after a pronominal stem, both masculine and neuter, ending in a short o by Sarvanamna sme 7114. The sutra states that sme is the substitute in place of gain after sarvanama, after a pronominal. For example, sarva plus gain, sarva plus sme. Sme substitute in place of gain by the present sutra sarva sme, to all or to the whole. The substitute takes place after pronominals yusmat and asmat by the Prathamayo Ram 7128. Yusmat plus asmat plus in place of gain by the present sutra. Yusma and asma are replaced by tubhya and mahya by tubhyamayo gai, 7295. Tubhya ad mahya ad Pura Rupa for o and o by Ato Gune 6197. Tubhyad amyad Do is dropped by Sheshe Lopa 6197. Tubhya mahya Mahyad Do is replaced by Sheshe Lopa 6197. Tubhya plus mahya plus Purupa substitute for O plus O by Amipurva 61107. Tubhya plus Tubhyam, Mahya plus Mahyam. Fifth case singular suffix gasi. Examples where gasi is not replaced. Marut plus gasi, marut plus as, ga and e are deleted. Marutas, marutru, marutar, marutaha from the air. Shiris plus gasi, Siris plus as, Sirisas, Sirisaru, Sirisar, Sirisaha from the head. The suffix gasi has four substitutes: at, smat, at. Single substitute with the preceding a or o. The substitute at takes place after a non-pronominal stem ending in a short o by tang gasigasa minatsya 7112. For example, Ram plus gasi, Ram plus at for gasi by the present sutra, Rama plus at, Ramat. Lengthening of o by akasamane dirgha 61101. The substitute smat takes place after a pronominal stem, both masculine and neuter, ending in a short o by gasigyo smats vinou, gasigyo smats vinou 7115. The sutra states that smat and smin are substitutes in place of gasi and gi, respectively, after a pronominal stem ending in a short o. For example, sarva plus gasi, sar plus smat, smat substitute in place of gasi by the present sutra, sarva smat for everything. The substitute at takes place after stems yusmat, asmat by ekvachanasya cha 7132. The sutra states that at is the substitute in place of gasi of yusmat and asmat. Yusmat plus gasi, asmat plus gasi, yusmat plus at, asmat plus at. At is the substitute for gasi by the present sutra. Yusma, asma are replaced by for and mo, respectively by 7297, the sutra states that twa and mo are substitute for parts yusma and asma respectively. Twa ad at, mo do ad at. Single substitute for o and o by atogune, twad at, mad at. To is replaced by sheshe lopah. So 7290, twa at, mo at. Single purva substitute for o by atogune 6197. We get the form twat mat, from you, from me. Single substitute a o for gasi is for six is for gasi. A and o is the single substitute for sixth case suffix also. Example: hari plus gasi, hari plus us. Guna a substitute in place of e of stem. Hari, hare by ghair giti. 73111. Hari plus us goes to hare plus us. Single substitute a for a and o of us by gasi gaso cha 6110. 6110. Hare us, hares, hareru, harer, visarga in place of ra, hare, from hari. Sixth case singular suffix gas. Examples where this basic gas has no substitute. Marut plus gas, marut plus us, marutas, marutar, marutaru, marutar, marutaha, of air, wind. The suffix gas has three substitutes: sure, us, and single substitute with preceding a or o. The substitute sure takes place after stem ending in a short o by tang gasigasa minatsya 7112. For example, Rama plus gas, Rama plus sure, sure substitute for gasi by the present sutra Ramasya of Rama. Substitute us takes place after stems yusmad asmad by yusmad asmadbhyam gaso yusmad asmadant gasos by 7127. The sutra states that us is the substitute in place of gas after stems yusmad and asmad. Yusmad us, asmad us substitute in place of gas by present sutra. Yusma and asma are replaced by tava and mama by tava mamau gasi 7296. The sutra states that tava and mama are the substitute of yusma and asma respectively. For gas, us by 7127. Tava ad us, mama ad us, ash. It's very tava ad ash, mama ad ash. Single pararupa substitute for o plus o by ato gune 6197. Do is deleted by Shri Lopaha 7290. Tava ash, ash, mama ash. Single substitute for o and o by ato gune. We get the form tava of you and mama of me. Shaw of just is deleted. Single substitute a for o in place of gas. The process is similar to that of gasi. Sixth case plural suffix am. Basic suffix am where there is no substitute and no augment is added. Examples: bhu brat plus am, bhu vratam of kings. Basic suffix am also occurs after stems ending in a long vowel other than a feminine suffix. For example, go plus am, gavam of cow. Senani plus am, senanyam of leaders. Sixth case plural suffix am has also one substitute akam, which comes after stems yusmad, asmad by sam akam 733. The sutra states that akam is the substitute in place of am after yusmat and asmat. Yusmat plus am, asmat plus am, deletion of do by sheshe lopaha. Yusmat plus am and asma plus am, yusma plus am and asma plus am, yusma plus sut plus am, asma plus sut plus am, augment sut by amis Amisarvnamna Sut. Amisarvnamna Sut, say 1152. The sutra states that augment sut is added to am. Augment sut is added to am after a pronominal stem ending in o a. Yosma saw plus am, asma saw plus am. U and to are deleted. Now substitute arkam is in place of sam by say 1133. Yosma plus akam, asma plus akam, yusmakam of you, asmakam of us. Lengthening o plus a by akasavarne dirgha. The augments are added to the affix am under certain conditions. These augments are placed before am as per the applicational rule adyantu takitau 1146. The rule states that an augment marked with to is added before and an augment marked with ko is added after. The augment sut is inserted before suffix am after a pronominal stem ending in o or a by ami sarvnamna sut, say 1152. For example, sarv plus am, sarv plus sut plus am, sarv plus so plus am, sarve plus sam. O of stem sarva is replaced by a by Bhavachane Jhalyet, 73103. The sutra states that a is the substitute in place of a nominal stem ending in a short o before a plural suffix beginning with the pratyahara jhal. Sarve plus sam, sarve sam of all. So of sam is changed to so by adesha pratyayo 8359. The augment nut is inserted after a non-pronominal stem ending in 1, a short vowel. Augment nut is added by sutra Rasvanadhyapo nut, say 1154. The sutra states that augment nut is inserted before the sixth case plural suffix am after a nominal stem ending in a short vowel. After the technical class called nadi and after the stem ending in the feminine suffix denoted by ap. For example, deva plus am, dev plus nut plus am, dev plus no plus am, devanam of gods. Lengthening of o of the stem deva by nami 643. The sutra states that the o stem final vowel is lengthened before suffix am. Nut is inserted after the stem of the technical class called nadi. For example, nadi plus am, nadi plus nut plus am, nadi plus no plus am, nadi nam of rivers. Nut is inserted after a stem ending in a feminine noun denoted by ap. For example, mala plus am, mala plus nut plus am, mala plus no plus am, mala nam of garlands. Fourth, nut is inserted after a stem called shat by shat chaturbhyascha 7155. For example, saptan plus am, saptan plus nut plus am, saptan plus no plus am. No of saptan is deleted by nalopa pratipadikantasya. Sapta plus no plus am, sapta nam of 7. Okay. Seventh case singular suffix gi. Examples of the basic suffix where no substitute occurs. Rama plus gi, ram plus si, go is deleted, ram plus si, rame in rama. Guna substitute for o plus e by adeng guna. Okay. Suffix gi has three substitutes, smin, am and out. The substitute smin takes place after a pronominal stem, both masculine and neuter, ending in short o by gasigyo smat smino 7115. For example, sarva plus gi, sarva plus smin, sarva smin. Gi is replaced by smin by the present sutra. The substitute smin takes place 1. After a stem of technical class called nadi, 2. After a stem ending in ap, and 3rd after a verbal noun ending in the root gi by gairam nadyam nibhya 731116. The sutra states that am is the substitute in place of suffix gi after a stem of nadi class after a stem ending in ap, and after a verbal noun ending in root gi. Example, nadi plus gi, nadi plus am in place of gi by the present ruler, nadi plus am, nadyam in river. Similarly, Rama plus gi, Rama plus am, gi is replaced by am by the present ruler. Augment yat is inserted before am by yadapaha 73113. The sutra states that after a stem ending in ap, a git suffix takes the augment yat. Rama plus yat plus Rama plus yat plus am. Rama plus yat plus am. Rama plus yo plus am. Ramayam in Rama. Lengthening of ya and of am by akasavarne dirgha 61101. Sena, senani plus gi, senani plus am, senanyam in the leader of the army. Yo in place of e, opni by eco unity 6177. The ought takes place after a stem ending in e or u, which does not belong to nadi or ghi class, by ought 73118. The sutra states that ought is the substitute in place of gi in stem which belongs neither to the nadi class nor to the ghi class. For example, sakhi plus gi is replaced by ought by the present sutra. Sakhi plus ought plus sakhi o, to is deleted, sakhyo in the friends, yo in place of e by eco energy. Hari plus gi, hari plus ought, hari plus o. The sutra achaghe 73119 replaces gi by ought, and simultaneously the stem final e of hari by short vowel o. So hara plus o, so haro in hari. Briddhi of o plus o by bridhirechi. Similarly, bhanu plus o, bhano in the sun. It may be noted that some case suffixes have no substitutes. For example, suffix bhyam of third, fourth and fifth case duals have no substitutes. For example, Ram plus bhyam, Rama bhyam. The sixth and seventh case dual suffix os has no substitute. Example, Rama plus os, Rame plus os, a in place of the stem Rama by osicho 74104. Rame os, Ramaya os, aya in place of a by hoya vayavaha. Ramaya plus os, Ramayos, Ramayoru, Ramayor, Ramayoh of two Ramas. The seventh case plural sup has no substitute. For example, Rama plus sup, Rama plus su, Rame plus su, a in place of o of stem by Bhavachne Jhallet 73103. Rame plus su, Rame su, so is replaced by so by Adesha Pratyayo. The fourth, fifth case plural suffix bhyas and sixth case plural suffix am have no substitutes except when these suffixes are attached to yusmat and asmat. Fourth case plural suffix bhyas after these stems is replaced by abhyam by bhaso bhyam 7130, and fifth case one by at by panchamya at 7131. For example, yusmat plus bhyas, asmat plus bhyas. Bhyas is replaced by abhyam, yusmat plus abhyam, asmat plus abhyam, and T portion is deleted by sheshe lopa 7290. Yusma plus abhyam, yusmabhyam for you. Asma plus abhyam, asmabhyam for us. Yusmat plus bhyas, asmat plus bhyas, fifth case plural. At is the substitute in place of bhyas by 7131. Yusmat plus at, asmat plus at, Yusm and Asm are replaced by Twa and Mo by Twama Vekavachane 7297. Twa Ad plus At, Mo Ad plus At, deletion of T portion of Ad by Sheshe Lopa 7290. Twa plus At, Twat from you. Mo plus At, Mat from me. O plus O by Purva by Atogune. Sixth case plural suffix am is replaced by akam after yusmat and asmat by sam akam. 733. Yusmat plus akam, asmat plus akam. T portion is deleted by sheshe lopa. Yusma plus akam, yusmakam, asma plus akam, asmakam of us. It may also be noted that 5 case suffixes, namely first case singular su, dual au, plural jas, second case singular suffix and dual ot are called sarvanam sthana after a non-neuter stem, and also the substitute she of first and second case plural after a neuter stem by Sud Napunsakasya 1183 and she sarvanam sthanam. She sarvanam sthanam 1142. Some stems undergo some changes before sarvanam sthana suffixes. For example, a stem ending in no lengthens its penultimate vowel or before a sarvanam sthana suffix other than first case suffix su used in the vocative by sarvanam sthane cha sambuddho 648. For example, rajan plus su, rajan plus sa, lengthening of the penultimate vowel of the stem by 648, rajans sa, rajans, deletion of sa and no by 6168 and 827 respectively, we get the form raja. 2. Ra at the end of the stem before a sarvanam sthana suffix undergoes guna, change. For example, pitri plus au, pitarau, fathers. Guna for re by ritungi sarvanam sthana yoho 73110. Now, here in this module and previous module, an attempt has been made to analyze the case suffixes, declensional suffixes of Sanskrit as per Panini. These suffixes are represented by the pratyahara sup. The chart here shows the basic sup suffixes with substitutes. The chart has been taken from Paninian linguistics of P.S. Subramaniam. Now, cases, basic suffix and substitutes. First singular su, look is look, and other. First and second dual au, she, u, single substitute of long counterpart of the preceding vowel. First plural just she, aus, look, Second singular look, other. Second plural shas, she, aus, look. Third singular ta, ina, na. Third, fourth and fifth dual bhyam, no substitute. Third plural bhis, as. Fourth singular nge, ya, sme, Fourth plural bhyas, bhyam. Fifth singular gasi, at, smat, at. Fifth plural bhyas, at. Sixth singular gas, sya, ash. Sixth and seventh dual os, no substitute. Sixth plural akam. Seventh singular gi, smin, ot. Seventh plural sup, no substitute. Just as illustration, we will cite the forms of Rama. So now, as illustrations, we shall decline. We should give the declension of masculine, feminine, and neuter stems as follow. Masculine stem ending in o, Rama. So, Prathama Vibhakti, Rama, Ramo, Ramaha. Dvitiya, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. Tritiya, Ramen, Ramabhyam, Ramehi. Chaturthi, Ramay, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Panchami, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Shashti, Ramasya, Ramayoh, Ramanam. Saptami, Rame, Ramayoh, Rameshu. He Ram, Ramo, Ramaha. Feminine stem ending in A, Rama. Prathama, Rama, Rame, Rama. Ramam, Rame, Rama. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhi. Ramaye, Ramabhyam, Ramabhya. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramabhya. Ramaya, Ramayo, Ramanam. Ramayam, Ramayo, Ramasu. He Rame, Rame, Ramaha. Neutral stem ending in O, Jnana. Jnanam Jnane Jnanani. Jnanam Jnane Jnanani. Jnanena Jnanabhyam Jnanei. Jnanaya Jnanabhyam Jnanebhya. Jnanat Jnanabhyam Jnanebhya. Jnanasya Jnanayo Jnananam. Jnane He Jnane Jnanayo Jnanesu. Now, students are advised to go through the 9th chapter of Paninian linguistics of P.S. Subramaniam on case inflections. Also, the 10th chapter on derivation system of the Stadhyaya of Pani, volume 1 by Ramnath Sharma, and also Devani Prakashika of Robert Goldman and Shelley Sutherland. Now, in this module, we have examined, we have discussed, described the sub-declension endings attached to instrumental case, dative case, ablative case, genitive case, and locative cases. Thank you.